Today we're going to evaluate the 2022 Maverick exhaust. This is the dual tip MRT system. This has a resonator, and you can get the tip options either in bright polished or black ops Cerakoted matte black. Let's go do a quick drive and see what this one sounds like. At idle RPM, definitely have an exhaust presence, a deep note. Of the various systems that we've developed, this system is a little bit on the boomy side when it gets up around 2,000 RPM. It's definitely present. But then goes away relatively quickly, so it's only through a short period of the RPM range. Definitely a deep baritone exhaust note from this system. Alright, we're gonna do some acceleration in a little bit more spirited fashion. Getting up into the RPMs, it's pretty much just all performance sound. There's really no negative to it. It's not obnoxiously loud, but you can definitely tell that you're accelerating. All right, now we're gonna hop on the highway and see what our sounds are like at highway speeds. So with moderate acceleration, it's got a nice deep performance sound. Nothing terribly obnoxious or objectionable. So just kind of cruising along at the highway speeds, a little bit of load, going uphill a little bit. We're at about 2,100 RPMs, almost 80 miles an hour. All the noises that are going on, we have some exhaust presence, borderline balance between the deep exhaust note and just a little bit of resonance, wind noise, tire noise, all the rest of the noises you'd normally